Yeah. So I'm sharing my screen. Everyone able to see? Everyone able to see my screen?
Sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. So last class we discussed, right? Like what is the performance testing? Yeah, please mute everyone. Okay. If I ask question, right? If you want answer, then you can unmute and we can talk. Okay. So in performance testing, what are the tools in the market? In the market, like LoadRunner, how many components? What are there? We discussed it, right? Anyone can explain what is performance testing? Who are attended last class, right? What is performance testing? Hello? Anyone? Okay. At least what are the tools in the market? Hello? What are the tools in the market? How many components LoadRunner? What are there? Anyone can explain? Venkatesh? Venkatesh?
LoadRunner and JMeter are the
Okay. I think you are connected to, right? Prasanna?
You are connected to, right?
Yeah, yeah. You can disconnect one or
You can disconnect.
yeah. Now you can continue. So okay, just I will give from the
Hello.
yeah, yes, please. Yeah, continue. Just I asked from the like what are the tools in the market and how many components LoadRunner, what are there?
Hello.
Yes, yes. Yeah, we are able to hear. Please continue.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Continue. Yes.
We have different tools in market.
Okay.
One is LoadRunner
Okay.
and Neoload,
Okay.
JMeter,
Okay.
LoadGen,
Okay.
Toesta.
Okay. How many components LoadRunner? What are there?
There are 5. Virtual
Okay.
user generator,
Okay.
controller,
Okay.
agent process,
Okay.
load generator, analyzer.
Okay. What is the virtual user generator? We can record the business flow and generate from the script statement purpose. We are using from the virtual user generator. What is controller? We want to execute with the multiple users. We can use the controller. Analyzer means we can analyze the results to find out the bottlenecks means. Okay. So I think today I'm starting from the regular classes. Okay. So everyone should ready, right? So like our training should be performance testing. Okay. So first of all, what is performance testing? Anyone can ask this interview question also. What is performance testing? So testing an application like under various condition of how the application behavior it is like. So for example, we have the some Amazon application will be there. What will happen when they are giving from the offer? Every user will be access to the Amazon application, and they are trying to do the okay order the product. So what will happen at that time? Number of user will be come. So when is the number of user will come? Your application will be might slow, or your application will be cross also. It will happen. So that is why before coming to the offers, they will do from the performance testing. Okay, we are going to the next like Sankranti festival. We are going to the offer. So current load is a 1 lakh users accessing from the like daily base. But when we are giving from the offer, it will reach from the 5 lakh users. So they will give from the business like this. And if it is 5 lakh user access also, my application will be don't crash and there is no slowness. So that is their requirement. So means any application it is going to the live means we should be performance testing should be confirmed. Okay. So if you do for the performance testing, we have the different tools in the market. So what are those tools means? LoadRunner, Neoload, and JMeter, LoadGen, SourceStar. So we have different tools, but nowadays maximum market using from the LoadRunner and SM to the JMeter. These two only it is nowadays using from the everywhere. If you go from the like performance testing opening, maximum we can see from the LoadRunner only, but very less percentage like 5% or 1 or 2% only JMeter. So that is why in our training, I will give for the LoadRunner and JMeter. Okay. First of all, I will start with the LoadRunner. And once LoadRunner is completed, like entire everything LoadRunner is completed, we can move to the JMeter. So first is the LoadRunner is a one of the like tool for the performance testing. Using the LoadRunner, we can do for the perform testing means LoadRunner have 5 components. How many components? 5. What are there means virtual user generator, controller, agent process, load generator, and analyzer. What is the virtual user generator? So tomorrow onwards will be, I should ask from the interview question also because today onwards is a regular class started, right? I will share material also everyone. Okay. Today class is completed. You should be ready with the tomorrow interview section. Okay. So virtual user generator nothing but like we can record the business flow and generate from the script statement purpose. We can use the virtual user generator. So one of the component is a virtual user generator. We can call it as a shortcut VUSN. So business flow nothing but any application like we can see the business flow also. For example, any application nowadays what will happen? Like software doing from the software testing or software engineer developer, what are kind of application actually they are doing means, okay, please mute everyone. Okay. So we have the banking application. One is the major important applications, banking application, insurance application, and healthcare application, e-commerce application, and social websites. So you can observe maximum, see as a software who are doing from the software testing or software development, maximum applications only, this is only banking, insurance, healthcare domain, e-commerce application, social websites. So means this application only as a like software will be developing the applications. So that is why nowadays these all will be very important points from the banking application, insurance, healthcare. So like business flow, I told, right? Business flow, nothing but, for example, Facebook is there. So Facebook, what we can do? We can launch the URL, and after that we can log in the application, and after login maybe we can upload video, and we can download video, and we can chatting also we can do, and we can do comment also, we can do logout also. So these steps we can call it as a business flow of the Facebook. So for example, Amazon will be there. Amazon, what we can do? Launch the URL, log into the application, and after you can log into the application, any Amazon or any e-commerce application, what we can do? We need to order the product. So you want to order the product means first which product I want to select. So that is why you need to select the product. After selecting the product, you need to add to cart. And after that, you need to give from the payment details, address details, all details you need to provide. And finally will be logout. So this is the business flow from the Amazon. And for example, we have the some pet store application will be there. So means we are booking the pet booking. So in this application, what is the business flow means? Launch URL, login URL, and click on pet, and we are selecting the product ID, and we need to add to cart, and payment, proceed to checkout, confirm, and log out. So these steps we can call it as a business flow of the application. So this business flow where we can record means using the virtual user generator, we can record the business flow, and after record the business flow, it will be generate the script statements. Okay, that is the virtual user generator. Everyone is clear? Virtual user generator, Vamshit? Okay, so
I understand.
yes, very good. So controller. So what is the controller? Nothing but virtual user generator. You are recorded one script. Okay, this pestore script you are recorded. When we are record the script, when you are log into the application, one time you can do or multiple times. See, for example, we can see the pestore application only, real-time application we can see. So now what I can do, I am launching the application. After launch, what I am doing? Sign in. I'm giving from the username and password and click on login button. So you can observe. So when I log in this application, I log in at a time number of users on single user. Single or single, right? So we are logging with the single user. But when you are record this business flow, we can record with the single user point of view. But our performance testing, we need to execute with the multiple users, like 1,000 users, 20,000, 30,000, or 50, 1 lakh users, 2 lakh users also we can test. So what is the script you are completed this script? Okay, this script we can push into the controller is one of the component. We can push into the controller, and after that you can design the scenario like 1,000 users or 2,000 users. How many users you want? You can design the scenario and execute with the multiple users. That is the controller. Okay, simple definitions. Controller nothing but we can design the scenario and execute with the multiple users. We can use the controller. Okay, so after execution is completed with the 1,000 users, so for example, we are done the Facebook application with the 1,000 users. We are push the script in controller, and after that execution also completed. And final what we can do means we have the one more component is the analyzer. What is the analyzer? Nothing but we can analyze the results and to find out the bottleneck. Analyze the results means 1,000 users average time, how much time it is happen each and every step. Launch and login and upload video and download video and charting and log out. what is our business flow will be there. That business flow, each and every step, we can call it as a transaction. Each and every step, launch is one transaction, login is one transaction, upload video one. So each and every step we can call it as a transaction. So each and every transaction, how much time it is happen from the 1,000 users average time. This is called as a average time. Means 1,000 users average time launch it is happen from the 1.2 second. Maybe client is given from the 2 second given. SLA nothing but client is given from the each and every step don't cross from the more than 2 seconds. That is the client requirement. SLA nothing but it's a client requirement. We can call it as a service level agreement. Okay, is expecting from the client 1,000 users average response time don't cross from the more than 2 seconds. When you are doing from the analyzer, you should analyze each and every transaction within the 2 second or not. You should be understand. See, a login is a 1.8. Okay, means within the 2 second. Upload video 1.9 within the 2 second. Download is a 1.2 second. Means within the SLA, and charting and logout also within the SLA. So everything is as per client expectation. Then what will happen? Your job will be done. So just this report you can send to the team. Okay, we have executed Facebook application with the 1,000 users. Observed all the transactions are within SLA. Please find the below results. Just send this report. Then your job will be done. Maybe upload video or download video. So you are observe that when you are analyze the results, you are observe upload video is taken from the 2.9 second. Client will accept your results. Vamshi?
No.
No, right? Why? Because client
Yes.
is expecting 2 second, but it is a 2.9 second. Okay, 0.9 only, right? No problem, client. Please ignore. We can recommend.
Yes.
No, we can't.
No.
We can't. So we can't recommend that kind of things. Because his application don't cross from the 2 seconds. That is the his expectation. So we should reach from that expectation, but we don't ask to the not ask any begging things. Okay, maybe this upload video is taken high time. Actually, client is 2 seconds, but this 2.9 seconds. Then what is our job? Means if it is everything is within second, then within 2 seconds, then it's fine. And you are sending reports, your job will be done. Maybe if it is any one of the transaction is more than 2 seconds, then we need to start the what is the issue? Why this upload video taken 2.9 seconds? We should be dig the issue. So what is kind of issue? What is the bottleneck? We can call it as in our performance terminology, like bottleneck. Bottleneck nothing but issue only. Okay. Okay. What kind of thing you need to observe means we have the CPU memory. So for example, you can observe in our system or in our mobile, if it is already memory, it is already crossed from the 98, 99, then what will happen? Your system will be slow. When you are trying to opening from the gallery or when you are trying to opening from the message box or anything, what will happen? It is take from the time. Means CPU memory is not sufficient also. This upload video should be more than 2 seconds. Then what will happen? We need check from the CPU memory also, we can check. So for example, how we can check means just I am showing from the your understanding point of view. Now we have the task manager, we have the performance. Here you can observe CPU. How much percentage it is showing? 36 or 40. Means it is not a more than 100%. If it is already 100% means I unable to give the class to you guys because we don't have from the much CPU utilization. Because of that, my system will be slow. But now is a good means my CPU is good. Memory also you can observe it is a 49% only occupied. Total will be 8 GB. In that 3.9 only it is used. Means almost 50% is available. So means then it is good. So based on that, when we are executing the test, we need to observe from the, okay, CPU is crossed from the 100% or not, and memory also it is crossed from the 100% or not, we need to observe. That is our job. Maybe you are observed CPU memory already it is crossed 100%. Then what we can do? We should inform to the our like infra team or EMS team. We have the different teams will be there. So we should ask to them when we are executed with the 1,000 users, we are observed CPU memory is crossed from the 100%. Then what will happen? They will increase from the CPU utilization, memory utilization. Like now is 8 GB, they will increase from the 16 GB. Now this is also 4 GB, they will increase from the 8 GB. Then once they will increase that, after that again you can execute with the 1,000 users. And after that your response time could be like some 0.9. Now is as per client expectation or not? So
Yes,
like this, we need to identify the issue, maybe CPU memory or application side or database side. So we need to dig the issue. Except one more thing, if is the response time high, CPU memory you are just identified from like using from this or any one of the tool, you are identified. You are not resolved. Just you need to identify that and you need to send to the particular team. So we are just need to identify and some other team will be resolved, and after that again you can do from the one more execution. Got it? So this is the analyzer. Analyzer nothing but we should analyze the each and every transaction response time as per client expectation. We are meet the SLA or not, we need to check. Okay, and going to the next point. One more component is the agent process and load generator. So load generator nothing but it will be generate the load against to the application. Okay, for example, you are executing 500 users. So 500 user point of view, some machine will be need. So we are when you are executing the test, some machine will be there, like one system, machine nothing but one system. In the system will be there means in the system, what are the things will be there? CPU, memory, hardware configuration details, all there, right? That details will be, we need to give from the load generator. That is why that load generator, it will work with the against to the application. Okay. And the next component is the agent process. What is the agent process? Nothing but it will be establish the connection between controller to load generator. So some controller to load generator connection, how it is happening means using from the agent process. Using from the whom? Agent process. So these are the 5 components in LoadRunner. So this is the end-to-end testing. You are starting from the scripting and execution with the multiple users, and you should be analyze the results and you can send the report. That is your job. It's clear from these 5 points, 5 components.
sir, I did not get load generator.
Yeah. Load generator nothing but it's one of the machine. For example, you can observe. So for here right now, I open from the Zoom. I open and I open from the LoadRunner and I open from the browser. This all I open. So if I open this all means each and everything it is taking some. You can observe here. So what I open, each and every process, some taking from the some CPU, some memory, some CPU, some memory is taking. Same to when you are executing with the 100 users. So some CPU utilization, memory utilization need, right? So that will be, we can configure in the machine. That is the load generator machine. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So everyone is clear for this, or if you have any doubts, you can ask me, no worry, okay? Because everyone should understand is my important, okay? So next we can move to the load runner architecture. Yeah, everyone able to see architecture, load runner architecture. So this is not architecture means nothing, just what we discussed, only we can see there on. Everyone able to see? So now you can observe, we know the vision nothing but virtual user generator. And this is the controller. And this is the analyzer. And AP nothing but agent process. LG nothing but load generator 1, load generator 2, load generator 3. And we have the servers, web server, app server, and DB server. For example, for here, your any transaction, not only for sign in, you are entering from the username and password you are giving. So if you click again, how it is the request is sending means like this. When you are hitting to the application, controller to load generator, it will send that request. Through whom? Agent process. So that is why this agent process is the interface between the controller to load generator. Some connection it is how it is happening means controller to load generator using the agent process. Means what is the request you are sent, that request is going to the LG. Like you are click the login button. What will happen? Immediately the request will go to the load generator. And load generator to the same request, it is going to the web server. Web server, it will send to the app server. App server to it will send to the DB server. DB server, what will check? Okay, username, password. Username is a Kiran and password is a 123. It will be there, not there. It will check in the database. Okay, it will check and okay, it will be there. Then you are sending the request. And after that, what will happen? Okay, username, password will be there. Okay, you can go to the login to the application. You are sending the response. You are getting the response. Okay, go to the next page. So same response again, it will send the back. DB server again back, it will send to the app server. And app server, same response it will send to the web server. Web server, again, it will send to the LG and LG to finally as the user will be reach. So you are sending the request and you are getting the response. This round trip of request and response, we can call it as a response time. What is the response time? Nothing but sending the request and getting the response. A round trip of request and response, we can call it as a response time. So just now I explained for here. So this is the taken from the 1 second I showed, right? So this 1.2 second, how it is calculating means that is the architecture. Okay. So controller to load generator to agent process like web server, app server, DB server. So first will be going to the request. And after that, okay, it will be there. Okay, go to the next page. Again, you are getting the response. So you can observe here. You can observe like here. So I enter username and password. Click on. So it went from the next page. How it is went means like it is a database. Okay, username password will be there. That is why it is access. Maybe username password it is not there also, you will get response. So what kind of response you will get means, okay, see, this is also response only, but invalid response. Invalid username password because username will be wrong. Username or password will be wrong. So this is also response only you are got, but this is a invalid response. But as a performance testing, we need from the every request should be valid response only. Got it, everyone? What is the response time? What is the response time? Anyone? Vamshi?
The time taken from this, the time taken, sir, to take the inputs from the controller to load generator and checking in the database, and it will give response. The total time required is response time.
Yes, it's a round trip of request and response. We can call it as a response time. Simple answer is the round trip of request and response. Can call it as a response time. So this is a very important for us, performance testing point of view. This is only important. Our major job only, this is only. Like each and every transaction, what is the response time it is happening from the multiple users average response time? What is the this launch? What is the login? What is the upload? So very important for this is the response time. One of the major important thing in the performance testing point of view. Because we are doing from the testing. Why we are doing the testing means each and every transaction as per client expectation response time. Client is expecting 2-second response time. As per client, we are meeting from the client expectation or not, we need to check. That is our major job. That is why before we are doing the scripting, that script we are executing with the multiple users. Simply. Got it? So today I'm stopping from here. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. We can, okay. This is completed. Next, we can start with the PT life cycle. Okay. Yeah. Anyone have any doubt? I think everyone is good, right? Yeah. I will share
Sir,
to
is
the.
there any difference?
Yes, please. Hello.
Yes, sir. Application architecture is there in hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
please.
Is there any difference between application architecture and
Yes,
LoadRunner architecture?
yes. Application architecture will be depends on the application. It is a banking application that is a different. It is like insurance application that is will be different. Depend on their application architecture will be different. This is only LoadRunner architecture.
Okay. Sir.
Okay.
I have attended in a lot of interviews, but I did not get that. I don't know about application architecture.
Yes. Which project you are keeping in your resume, that architecture you should be know. Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining everyone. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue. And I will ask from the tomorrow interview questions everyone. I will share in the material in our group and everyone should follow and prepare well. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.